got this good old model last year. It hadn't been used in 25-30 years, and it was covered in old methanol residue and oil. It took me between 4 to 5 hours just to clean off all the old dirt and oils. The history behind this plane is one of the reasons why I want to bring it back to life and get it back in the air. First of all, it's in my eyes a beautiful model when I do love these old-time models. But the main reason is that this model is built by a master local builder that was the first one to start with model airplanes back in the good old days here in our region of Sweden, Härjedalen. Sadly, he passed away a few years ago and we lost about 65-70 years of knowledge. He could see a picture of a plane, and if he liked it, he could build a model of it just using the one picture he got. That is what this model is. It's a model that he built out of just one picture of a plane called Gula Faran, Yellow Danger in English. Gula Faran was built as a full-scale airplane by Hugo Eriksson here in Sweden. So this model is built without any drawings, but just out of one picture. In my book is that pretty good and shows a lot of skills in building, understanding the aerodynamics needed to get a good flying plane. He did also mark his planes with his name, as he did with this one, as you can see here. That will stay on there in the memory of him, and I'll never remove it. I have used some time to restore this model, so after all cleaning was done, have I been fixing some parts that had broke during the 25-30 years of storage, dressed up, and some small painting, as you can see here. I have now installed the servos for the throttle, aileron, rudder, elevator, and I'm using an FrSky V8 FR2 receiver with Metaranis X9D Plus transmitter. The engine that I have mounted in this model is an OS FS91 Surpass 4-stroke. The reason for this size is that the model is a bit heavy. It's about 4.35 kilograms fully fueled. And my plan is that I can cruise around with just a quarter to half a throttle. I'm just going to have this model as a relaxing plane and hopefully enjoy a lot of hours in the air. Now I'll cut into the video when I'm finally done with the plane and show you my first start of the engine mounted in this model. And if you like my videos and want to support me, maybe you can buy me a coffee. Just use the link in the description of this video, and as everybody says, subscribe, like, comment and share. So now you can just sit back and relax and enjoy the beautiful sound of the OS FS91 4-stroke engine. Bye bye and cheers!